In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert screenshot to editable Figma. We're going to turn a static screenshot into an editable layout inside Figma using the Code AI design plugin, so you can tweak text, colors, and spacing without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign into your account. Give it a moment to load your files and projects. You can work in any existing project. The important part is that Figma is open and ready. Next, prepare your design. Find the screenshot you want to convert and make sure it's clean and clear. High-resolution images work best. If the screenshot has extra margins or browser chrome, crop it so only the interface you care about remains. Save it as a PNG or JPG and keep the file name descriptive so it's easy to spot when you upload it. With Figma open, click Actions. This opens the Quick Actions menu where you can access tools and plugins. Type or locate plugins, then choose Code AI Design. Click it and then click Run. The plugin will launch in a panel. If this is your first time, it may ask you to connect your account. Just follow the prompts on your screen to authorize access and stay in the same tab until it finishes. Once the plugin is ready, you'll see an area where you can add your image. Drag and drop your screenshot into the drop zone, or use the upload option if you prefer. The plugin will start analyzing the image, detecting layout, text, shapes, and spacing. This can take a little time, depending on image size, so let it run without switching away. When the processing completes, the plugin will generate editable layers directly on your canvas. You'll typically get frames, grouped elements, and text layers that you can select and modify. Colors, fonts, and approximate spacing will be reconstructed so you can fine-tune the design like any other Figma file. If something looks slightly off, it's usually due to image quality. A sharper screenshot generally yields more accurate results. That's it. You opened Figma, prepared your screenshot, ran the Code AI design plugin from Actions, connected your account, and dragged and dropped the file to convert it into editable Figma layers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning screenshots into workable designs in just a few minutes.